Good morning. Plan is breakfast, coffee.
Start it up.
Didn't actually take a sip because it's too hot. So this is the city that I'm going to, Arles, and there's an amphitheatre there as well. So that's mainly what I'm going to see, to be honest, with this Roman amphitheatre. I don't think I've ever properly seen one, to be honest. 27 minutes drive. Let's go. Get away from these mosquitoes. That was an interesting 20-minute journey. I think I got a speeding flash by speed camera, but I've googled it. I don't think, because of Brexit, I don't think they can fine you or something. They can't send you the fine, so I don't know. I think it was me, but it properly flashed. We'll have to see whether anything comes of that. I don't know how you're meant to pay it or whatnot. And then the engine management light came on. I sort of tried just turning the engine on and off, but look, where is he? There he is. That ain't ideal. I don't know why. I'm tempted just to leave it, but after googling it, I'm probably just going to take it to a garage, I guess. Get them to code read it. Hopefully it's nothing major. But anyways, I've parked up just outside of this city, but I'm going to head further in because I'm basically just on a retail park here. And by the way, what a great idea this is. All of these canopies in the parking, there's all solar panels on the roof. That is fantastic. Right, so I've just paid for parking in the city centre. It looks like quite a cool city. It looks a bit rough, but I think it's just like really old architecture. Really cool city with the old architecture. I think it's like Roman times architecture, castles, forts and stuff.
This is lit.
This is a pretty cool area, really narrow cobbly streets, classic French houses. I don't think I'm going to bother actually going in. There's just a load of scaffolding in there and a lot of people, so. But it's cool. It's a really cool structure. It's like the centre of this little area of the city. I bought some kind of naan bread thing. Pretty nice. So I've basically got to wait 3 hours for the garage to be able to look at the van and plug the diagnostics in. So it's just started raining as well, so I'm just parked up just outside the city of Arles. Got this little forestry car park, so just going to chill here, do some editing, which I was going to do anyway. Maybe I should have put it in whilst I was exploring the city, but whatever. Took my van in, and it's an air pressure intake sensor. So nothing to really worry about. They actually did it free of charge, which is brilliant. How nice. I don't know if you get that in England, you know. I don't think you would. Really happy with that, to be honest, because if it was, I'm glad it's nothing major. I'll just get the sensor replaced hopefully when I get back. Alrighty then. So I'm at my campsite now. The van is fine. It's just I think I mentioned the van earlier. Anyway, I've had a run in the rain, which was good. I think I've done my fastest 5k time because it was just so flat. It was like a road that ran next to a canal. So that's good. And I've just cooked some pasta, just tomatoes, olive oil, mayo, salt and pepper. So I'm in the city of Avignon. A really cool city, some amazing architecture, and there's a huge, I'm not sure what it is, castle maybe, and quite a other few significant landmarks. Massive Gothic church from the 1300s, But yeah, really cool city. So I've just got to my spot that I might stay at, and there's so many flies. I don't know what I was expecting really. It's not windy at all and it's right next to a lake. The road here was so precarious as well. It was like a long track all the way around. I don't know if I want to stay here, to be honest. I'm moving on. Okay, so I've got to my next spot and I am much happier. I've even got a neighbour in a nice T6 VW. Anyway, it's a beautiful spot next to a chapel, literally right there, chapel, neighbour, and just surrounded by wine groves. Oh, no, not wine groves. What, I don't know, wine vineyards, something like that. Let's have a proper look about.
Please just talk to me if things ain't fine. Look away, you just look away. Why would you say things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say? Please just talk to me if things ain't fine.
What a beauty of a place this is. A great park up. There's a chapel right here and the birds are all nesting within the chapel and they're so loud. It's absolutely amazing. A really nice night's sleep here. The birds are just going like all night. But yeah, it's a beautiful spot. Really fantastic. There's picnic benches. There's a bin as well. Yeah, and it's only about 2 miles away from Pont Du Gard, so I'm going to go and check out that today. And also you can have a little walk, and there is vineyards all around, and you can see the village up on the hill there as well. Really nice little village, really nice spot, really peaceful, nice and easy to access. €9.50 for parking. Oof. No, you get entry allegedly to Pont Du Gard, and I can't see anywhere free to park. And I was thinking, rather than the stress of just driving around for like half an hour trying to find somewhere to park, I may as well just pay it. At least they print out a nice little picture for you. Got in for bloody free, didn't I? You're a student? Yeah, I'm a student. You got your identity card? Nah, I've left it at home. I'm on holiday. Oh, don't worry. You can go on through for free. Just use that on your way out for the parking. Buzzing. What a lovely lady. She let me go in for free because I'm a student. University of life. There she is. It's very impressive actually. It's quite incredible actually. I wonder if, you can see the river here, I wonder if historically the river would have been up to kind of here, and that's why the bridge was built, because the river is so low. I assume all of this area here I'm stood on was riverbed, and that's obviously why it was built. But it's an incredible structure. You've basically got 3 bridges on top of each other. Absolutely unreal. Really cool place to see actually. I'm glad I came. And I was willing to pay the £9.50 too. It's an aqueduct which would have carried water, right? And it's 2,000 years old. 2,000 years old. And they built it in 5 years, it says on here. It was built in the 1st century AD in just 5 years. Building the world's tallest Roman bridge was a remarkable feat of engineering for the era. 5 years it took them to build that. 2,000 years ago. I don't know if you'd build that in 5 years now. That is incredible. I can't believe it's 2,000 years old. It was built in 1 AD. That is unbelievable, Jeff. A really nice spot I found for lunch. Just had some pasta, leftover pasta. Beautiful spot there. And take a little walk. There's a pretty cool church here. Change of plan, I'm not going to Nims, I'm heading to a campsite about 35 minutes away. I think I'm about 10 minutes away from Nims, but I'm not going to bother. I don't really want to go into a hustle and bustle city today. It's just so warm. Near the Spanish border, and I'm heading to Spain today. I'm in Spain! These are the huge nests. Oh, there's a little green parrot.